Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HDMI to VGA adapter. This wire cost around €4 plus shipping here in Amazon, Germany, and since it was relatively cheap, I thought I could just get it and use it for my MacBook Pro. Straight out of the box, you'll see the wire itself. There's no proper wrapping or protection or any warranty documentation whatsoever, but I guess that was kind of expected from the price range of the product itself. Yeah, and that was the unboxing of the HDMI to VGA cable adapter, wire. This version is compatible with the MacBook Pro Retina display since it has the HDMI port as well. Yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.